authentic Chinese restaurant dito sa Clark, Pampanga na nagsa-specialize sa masasarap na seafood and other Chinese dishes. Around 2 years ago na-feature na natin ito. At talaga namang na-miss namin yung mga pagkain dyan. Kaya ngayon, babalikan ko sila at isasama ko naman si Mama at Papa para matikman nila yung matagal ko na kinukwento sa kanila. Dito mga Chinese talaga yung kumakain kaya alam mong pasado sa panglasa nila. This place is called Hometown Flavor. Located yan sa loob ng Clark. Ito yung address nila pero hinahanap ko na rin lang via Google Maps. Open daily from 10 AM to 9 PM. Meron silang parking space at mga VIP room. I tried my best na puro bago yung orderin at ang lalaki ng serving nila dito kaya perfect when you're dining with a group. Unahin natin yung wonton noodle soup. I would say good for 2 na ang isang serving nito. The wontons were super tasty and has a bouncy mouthfeel. The noodles were thin and chewy and yung broth niya very light lang. Ang sarap higupin. May isa pa tayong in-order na soup. This one naman has clams, tofu, and vegetables. It's lightly seasoned, also has clear broth and super comforting. And I know, sabi ko kanina, I'll try na bago lahat yung orderin ko. Pero hindi ko lang mapigilan na mag-order ulit ng Peking duck. Kasi I remember na sobrang nagustuhan ko to nung unang beses na kumain kami sa kanila. You can either wrap it in a flatbread with cucumber, celery, and hoisin sauce or simply eat it on its own. Nagustuhan ni Papa yan. Siya yung nakaubos nito. This next one naman, medyo kakaiba siya for me. It's breaded na tomato and cheese. So magkahalo na yung tart, sweet, rich, and cheesy. And then meron siyang kasama na mayo-based na dipping sauce. For something light naman, we have broccoli and scallops. And bilang mahihilig kami sa broccoli, talagang unahan kami sa pagkuha nito at tuwang-tuwa kami sa laki ng mga sahog na scallops. Etong susunod naman is stuffed eggplant. Bago rin yan. Crispy breaded eggplant na sobrang daming garlic crisp on the outside at yung palaman niya sa loob ay hipon. And speaking of hipon, meron tayo nitong steamed prawn with garlic and meron din siyang glass noodles sa ilalim. Ang sarap nito, hindi tinipid sa garlic at mapapa-extra rice ka talaga. Fried rice nga pala yung in-order namin na loaded din ng egg, vegetables, and meat. We also have stir-fried noodles na ang daming sahog. Meron siyang peanuts, vegetables, hipon, pork meat, at meron ding atay. Very savory and packed with umami. At dahil alam na natin na masarap talaga yung mga dim sum nila dito, then hindi natin palalampasin yung bago nila na pork xiaolongbao. At syempre, itong siomai. Very meaty. And apart from these, meron pa silang iba't ibang mga dim sum that you can choose from. After that, we're having some salt and pepper squid na syempre ang sarap isaw-saw sa maanghang na suka. And last but not least, eto naman ay pork ribs. 2 years mula nung una ko silang nasubukan and up until now, I would say wala pa rin kupas ang Hometown Flavor. So sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng good quality, malaking serving at authentic na Chinese food, nako subukan nyo na rin dito.